There's a lot of opportunity here for the students, and there's a lot of places for them to work. There's not a day that goes by we don't get a call from local restaurants looking for experienced people ready to work.
I love every single class I've taken here. Every class is just welded perfectly. Having the hands-on experience that we have here is amazing, considering most of us want to be in the culinary field. So going from here to a kitchen, it's not very difficult. We've already done it. So all we have to do is put our knowledge to where we're going.
You learn the basics of cooking, and we teach that right from the get-go. Good basic knife skills, good basic cooking skills. In the course of one class, by the end of the semester, they will have plated anywhere from 30 to 45 restaurant quality dishes. Then they go on to take a breads class. They go on to take a pastry class where they're making like eclairs, cream puffs, pies. They go on to take a basic cake decorating class where they're doing the basics of cake decorating. So they get the whole gamut, but we want to have them basic skills in all those areas so they can be employable in a lot of different places.
It's amazing how much you can get done and how much you can see in this program for you to be ready for anything that you have to do.
Everything that you would need in a restaurant, we teach here.
A great highlight of the program is having enough experience to go straight into your career.
Many of my students come back to visit. I'm really, really pleased when I hear that they're still in the business.
I would recommend this program to everyone on every street I've ever seen in my life. This program has changed me for the better. It's helped me get so many places that I've wanted to be.
What I'm most pleased about is helping the students achieve their goals, because every student comes here with a different goal. Some want to open a restaurant, some want to be a chef, some want to work in food science, some want to be nutritionists. So I just help them to find out what their goals are and help them achieve them through our program.
I'm really going to be upset when I leave. This program has benefited me in so many ways that I don't even understand fully yet. And not taking this opportunity would have been a big mistake in my part.